this short video will show you how to format your text so that it's highly readable for your online students. Now, when we often paste into the Blackboard text editor box, as you can see, I've got two different fonts here. So we want to get rid of that. And the best way to do it is to go in and highlight the text that you're working with, or highlight the text that you just pasted. And then if you come back up here, this is remove formatting, and that will take you to square one with this text. Now, you can change everything to a 14-point font, and the default is Arial, and that is the best for reading on the web. That and any sans serif font. Now, when you have a lot of text, it can be a little hard for students to read. So I'm going to show you how to change your spacing from 1 to 1.5. Okay, now you're going to highlight the text. Okay, now this really works best after you have formatted it and cleaned it out. Okay, so what you want to do is choose the CSS. You don't want to mess around in here too much, because you can actually kind of make some things look funny by mistake. But one thing that is really safe to do, as long as nothing is in any of these boxes, so in other words, as long as this is completely blank, if you come into line height, choose value, and put 1.5, that is going to make your spacing 1.5, which is just a little easier for online students to read, especially when there's a lot of text. But again, if you go into CSS and there's all kinds of stuff in those boxes, that means there's a lot of formatting that's gone on, or it could be sometimes when you add a picture or a link, it could maybe show up as some kind of formatting. And if you do change the value to 1.5, sometimes it will make everything look weird. So as long as there's nothing showing at all, you can go in and change the spacing.